that view? I've only just seen it.
I just seen it as well. It looks spectacular.
Oh my god. Look at that. That looks like Triglav or something.
Day 3 Corsica, searching for waterfalls. We're on the green line on Google.
There's not many people about. It's only
Pretty quiet, isn't it?
8:30 on a Sunday.
8:55 AM. We're here.
I've got that first, wow.
Oh. Can't see on the camera really, but it looks impressive. But must have to get through these trees to get nearer. Waterfall 263 or 264. We've got to go down some rocky ground.
The Airbnb that we've got, that we're in now, it was lovely, and it's probably one of the best we've booked. It's only the second that we've booked for a whole month stay, and we did really well with this one, I think.
Really nice place, spacious, nice balcony. Yeah, everything about it's pretty nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. It's on the ground floor, it's got a reserved parking space, and it's very spacious and open, and it's felt like a really comfortable stay, so we've enjoyed it here. The Christmas decorations went up, didn't they, on the 1st of December pretty much.
Close to that, yeah.
And just in the town that we were staying, there was an amazing display that was going to be for a Christmas market, and it was beautiful.
Really well
They
done.
really went to town, and we walked around it in the evening when all the lights were on. It was beautiful.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
no, that was good. Yeah. Looking for a waterfall. No markers. No pathway on the Google map. No idea where we're going. We're kind of stranded in the middle of nowhere. We definitely We're definitely not allowed to go through it.
No. Like you say, when you start off a walk with no signs anyway, you haven't got much of a chance, have you?
Then there's no markers. You don't know if you even started in the right direction.
No.
We've got a complete blockade. Goat Central. There's 1,000 goats from nowhere. This car is completely stuck. And they're beeping them to get out of the road. And there's another car here. She's filming it whilst driving.
Like you do.
So that's what you do to get through. So if they're still here, we need to beep them off the road.
Okay. Well, we're going to stop for some lunch anyway.
Let's get some lunch.
We haven't been on an adventure like this for a while, have we?
No. We're adventuring today on Corsica. Looking for our 266
Yeah.
waterfall. Cascade de Marie.
And there was a thunderstorm last night, so it should be going for it today.
Yeah, we're definitely in the mountains now.
This trail is yeah.
Quite steep,
It is, isn't it?
but it should be quite short.
Yes.
Cascade de Marie. Waterfall 266.
It's amazing. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's lovely. You got your tea still?
Yeah. Always need a tea on a waterfall, right?
That's the only thing that makes it better, isn't it?
Yeah. None of this sticks, malarkey. Cup of tea in the end.
Can't be doing with sticks.
Much better.